Okay, so in this short section, we're going to look at PlayPosit. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to record this, which might be of interest to you at a later date. But I'm going to go to PlayPosit.com. So you can just type in PlayPosit.com and I'm going to log in. I've already created a free PlayPosit account using my Google. So have a look at the Google accounts. I'm just going to sign in as S. Yarker and allow. Okay, we created a Edpuzzle on sugar, and I'm going to do a similar one with PlayPosit. So here it's just bulbs, and you're basically just going to create a new bulb. Okay, so you're just going to go up to new. So these are some of the ones I've already created, but I'm just going to go up to new. Sorry about the dog barking. And I'm going to go for new bulb. Okay, and I can just press anything here to allow me to continue on with my PlayPosit. I'm going to look on YouTube. I could look for pre-made bulbs, but I'm just going to look at YouTube to create my own bulbs. And I'm going to look at sugar and Ireland and search. See if I can get the one that we found. No. Okay. Sugar and the journal. Okay. Again, I'm not finding it easily, which is just typical. So I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to type in sugar, Ireland. Okay, and hopefully it should come up here. Okay, so it's ever wondered how much sugar is in everyday foods. So I know that that's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to look at sugar and Ireland, and no, okay, so I'm going to go back to this, sorry, and I'm going to look for the URL. So I'm going to press stop here, I'm going to press share, and I'm looking for this, okay, and I'm just going to copy it, put it into my PlayPosit, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to paste, search, and here it is, and add. So I've created my PlayPosit now, and there's a number of things that I can do for it. So I am going to use this button here to add questions. I can delete the video, I can trim the video, or I can add a question. So I'm just going to press play. So it's playing. So I'm going to ask for a free response, so it's an open-ended question.
Mom.
And saving it. Okay, and that's a free response, and then I press play again.
We know that when people take in excess sugar or eat excess sugar, whether it's through food or through drinks, that it actually does harm to the body over time. So we know that it increases the risk of being overweight or obese. So as sugar intake increases, so does BMI. So the World Health Organization encourages to eat less than 12 teaspoons.
Okay, so I'm going to add another question. Okay, and this is going to be multiple choice. And it's how many teaspoons of sugar should we be consuming per day? And I'm going to add an answer. So the correct one is 6. Obviously, I would probably position it at a different time in the quiz, and then I have to make sure that I've given the correct answer, which is 6, and continue on.
Of sugar a day, or ideally less than 6. So we know that the Irish public, on average, are eating 3 times too much sugar. So the average Irish person would be actually consuming around 120.
And again, multiple choice. How many times too much sugar are Irish people consuming? And the correct answer is 3 times, 5 times, 10 times. And obviously the correct answer is 3, and save. Okay. And we press play again.
Teaspoons, if not 150 teaspoons of sugar each week. It's colossal amounts. One of the simplest ways to consume less sugar.
Add a question here, and it could be a reflective pause, or it could be a fill in the blank, or it could be check all. But I'm going to put in a reflective pause. So, what food, drink item are you most surprised about? Read sugar content. Okay, and save. And I'm going to continue on.
With simply to focus your diet on whole foods. So whole foods are foods of one ingredient. So nothing's been added to them and nothing's been taken away.